It's fair to say that Zenith knows how to celebrate 50 years of the El Primero. 2019 is an important year for many brands celebrating anniversaries of icons, one of which is Zenith and the 50 years of the El Primero. Although it's 50 years of the El Primero, this didn't mean Zenith held back on just focusing on a special edition this year. Let's get into it. First up, the Zenith Defy Inventor. You may remember back in 2017 Zenith introduced the Defy Lab watch. This was finished with the Zenith Oscillator, which essentially replaced the balance wheel, lever and balance spring, totally around 30 parts of the movement. Fast forward to today and we have the Defy Inventor, a new model which makes the most of said technology on a commercial level. This model does come in a 44mm wide and 14.5mm thick case. The brushed titanium case with Aeronith bezel creates a very unique look and style. The strap fitted to the watch is actually a rubber with an alligator top, meaning that you get the durability of rubber but with the style and class of leather. Next up we had the Zenith Pilot 20 Adventure. The biggest talking point here with these new models is the new green dials and bronze cases. These new models combine an urban style with heightened versatility. The large case, bold indices, hands, and oversized crown really suit the direction Zenith are looking to take this range. The khaki green coloured dials almost shift to a dark grey in certain light conditions. Yet again we see the brands giving some love to replacement watch straps as well, as when you buy either the time only model or the chronograph El Primero movement option, you get a camouflage style leather or a dark green / grey strap as standard. The next Zenith Pilot watch added to the range is the new Zenith Pilot Type 20 Extra Special Silver Edition. Not only has Zenith had a crazy busy year with the El Primero anniversary, but they also decided to introduce their first ever timepiece with the solid silver case. With only 250 being produced, this version of the watch offers an interesting approach at effectively summarizing the Pilot's range. On the wrist, you can tell this is a special watch. Sure, the size is on the large side, but much like the Adventure range, it suits it perfectly. And now to what everyone's been waiting for, we have the El Primero A386 Revival. The start of easily two of the best releases of Baselworld 2019, Zenith decided to celebrate 50 years of the El Primero by releasing 3 different models of the A386. These 3 models are insanely close to an original A386 apart from one main difference. One is white gold, one is yellow gold, and one is rose gold. Each watch is limited to 50 models in each material colour and come with a massive 50 years guarantee. And finally we have the Defy El Primero Double Tourbillon. Here we have a very special double tourbillon watch. As standard, one tourbillon oscillates, doing its thing. On the click of the chrono pusher, the other tourbillon jumps into life. Then consider the fact it's all wrapped up in a 14mm case, a truly standout killer release coming in at over £100,000. It's fairly clear to see that I'm a big fan of the Zenith releases this year. They have gone above and beyond to ensure that it's one to remember. The El Primero is one of the most important additions for the industry, and wrapping up our meeting, the Zenith stand remained as busy as ever. If possible, Zenith have become even more of a favourite brand.